You good?
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you will ever see. In today's video, we have these high-octane police chases where suspects won't stop for nothing. Not until they crash into multiple vehicles or have no other option but to jump off a bridge. I wonder what's going on in their minds as they try to escape from the police. Just like any other video in our channel, this one also contains sensitive scenes that might be disturbing to some audiences, so viewer discretion is advised. Let's watch. Now for our first video, MELINA Logan, a 27-year-old from North Carolina, took a 2024 Honda Civic for a test drive and never returned. Let's see how this goes.
I'm behind it, 1560 behind it, southbound 826.
We can see from this dashcam footage that traffic is super busy on this highway, but Logan continues on while being chased by the police.
Hey, we're still southbound, you're approaching 2nd Street.
I'm behind it.
Logan crashes into several cars, but continues to drive alongside the lake.
She's still going southbound. Therefore, you advise she's still going forward at the vehicle?
Multiple signal 4, she's trapped inside the car.
Hey, right before.
Now here's the surprising part. She attempts to jump in the lake in hopes to escape.
Advise short fire. Oh, down.
And she actually does. Now the police officers are confused if she's still alive after that jump or will be eaten by the gators.
Miami, she's in the water.
For our second video, a suspect identified as 19-year-old TYRESE Lancaster was speeding while entering the overpass and was detected by Sergeant Jeff Preston when he clocked him at alarming speeds on his radar. Let's see what happens next. The officer immediately runs into Lancaster's car to prevent him from continuing on once he crashes. Seems to have worked as Lancaster put his hands up to surrender.
Man, I tried to stop you. I'm good. Shit.
Lancaster was then put into handcuffs with ease as he didn't try to resist.
You good?
The officers are inspecting Lancaster's car while he was put into custody.
I'm wrecked out, Sarge.
Now let's take a quick look at how it all happened from the beginning. We can see Lancaster speeding past the officer in this footage. Lancaster bumps into the railings where his car spins out across the overpass. This made it easier for the officers to arrest him.
Hey, head! Put him up! Put him up! On the ground! 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 Hands behind! Hands behind! Hands behind! You good? You good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Shit. Anybody else in the car? No. Alright. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. You good? You good?
Yes, sir. 12, I'm going to start at 10, 16.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, come on.
No,
You ain't getting nothing.
You ain't getting up.
I'm red gas hard.
Hey, stop.
Took it too. Yeah. Took it. Hey, man.
Get over
Yeah,
here.
it's not good. It's not good.
Get over.
We got to shut down. All right.
Well, you running like you stupid.
Lancaster seems chill after the accident while police question him after putting him into handcuffs.
Everybody life in danger, bro. What's wrong with you? That's stupid. That's ain't no because nothing. That's stupid. Get in the car. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, I know it's okay.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Stop talking. Hey, bro. Shut up. What you say? What you say?
My bad.
The officers continued with their search inside Lancaster's car at this point.
Hey, son, I got a 1016 for him.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Ain't nothing to foot, no airbag, no. I'm good.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
They found a gym bag with men's clothing in the rear seat that contained 4 unopened Bud Light beers.
Also, on another 10 limbs, one going to be for 13 units, and the other one for the vehicle.
Hey, you tell him we 1015?
15-4, you want me to shut the bottom of the ramp down? Come up there.
Hey, negative. We got Whitehall PD shutting down. We got 11015 as well.
10-4.
Yeah.
ESI Ambulance Services treated Lancaster at the scene for minor scrapes and bruises.
Are you good? All right.
good, man.
Okay. All right. All right.
I guess I'm coming too high. I tried to lock it up, but
Well,
he kind of...
well, I saw when he ran around that curve that it was over with.
Take 32 and jump back up?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll try and turn around.
Hey, yeah, he got one coming.
And now for our third video, we have a suspect identified as Cody Davis, who is guilty on multiple charges. The video shows him ramming other vehicles out of the way, driving on the wrong side of the road, and ditching a stolen gun that can be seen bouncing on the pavement. Let's see how it goes for him.
Are you running these phone calls? What? Open line, transportation. The way you drive is open, you take the line still.
We can see Cody's truck bumping into a civilian's vehicle, which results in a damaged bumper. However, Cody continued on while the police officers were still chasing him.
Okay, shut the vehicle down. Oh, the road.
All right, get off there for a minute. She's got a 52. The car, 8-quad run. It's going northbound, southbound lane.
Cody is seen switching lanes despite there being a decent amount of traffic. This makes it more dangerous for the police to catch up with him.
Okay, Jason 4. Running cars. Northbound.
Driver, stop your vehicle!
Northbound through line.
Cody slams into the back of a civilian truck, causing it to flip over. This appears to have disabled his truck. slams into the back of a civilian truck, causing it to flip over. This
Location?
The police officers are now approaching Cody in hopes to apprehend him. They surrounded the vehicle from every corner. Hopefully, Cody will give up and comply with their orders.
Light rail 215.
The officers are now bringing Cody in, as well as the passenger that was with him.
Before new CODY in my area. Yeah, well, they're not all three. If anybody can advise on it, the other one.
I'll be right back at 2911 vehicle flipped on the side. I'm finishing up the one in line and stay over real quick. I'll head up and do the major one if y'all want to get the rest up along the way.
Cody tried to resist again, but was not able to escape because of how tight the officer was holding him.
Eddie? You need a couple to the one at Ryan and Eddie? Yeah, well, 13 is one you did at Ryan and Phil?
Negative. They're 38 here. You can log it as one. I'll finish this one and head down to the other one. I'm headed that way right now.
If you love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.